and share and subscribe and like.
In this video, we will define a divisibility whenever an integer b is there and b is said to be divisible by integer a, an integer a which is not equal to 0, if there exists some integer c such that b equal to ac. And symbolically we write the same thing as this symbol a divide b. This is an symbol where we write it as a is a divisor of b. This is an symbol. And a, whenever we write it as like this means that a is not a divisor of b, indicate that b is not divisible, b is not divisible by a. Here b is divisible by a and this symbol is for b is not divisible by a. A is also called as a divisor of b or a factor of b, or b is called as a multiple of a. So these are the different words used to define a divisibility. So important thing is whenever we have b equal to ac, then we say that this b is divisible by an integer a. Then we know that a is a divisor of 0. uh, okay, so whatever may be the integer, we have 0 is equal to 0 into a. So every integer a is a divisor of 0, okay, or 0 is divisible by any integer. Again, 1 is divisor of, or a is divisible by 1, or since we have a is equal to a into 1, right? So therefore every integer is divisible by 1, or 1 is a factor of every integer. Again, a is a divisor of itself since we have a into 1, and therefore this shows that a is a factor of a itself, or a is a divisor of itself, or a is a divisible by a. Now whenever a is a divisor of 1, if a is a divisor of 1, then by divisibility we should have an integer c such that 1 is equal to c into a. But look at this integer, c must be an integer, so 1 divided by a is equal to c is an integer, but whenever a is there a is an integer, we have this c is an integer only if a is equal to 1 or a is equal to minus 1. We can get and c an integer only if a is equal to 1 or a is equal to minus 1. Therefore any integer a is a divisor of 1 if and only if this a is equal to plus or minus 1. Another important result regarding this is if a is b is divisible by a and a is divisible by b, a is divisible by b, then you can see that b is divisible by a, that means there is an integer c such that this b equal to ca, and a is divisible by b, that means a is equal to, there is an integer d which is like that a is equal to d into b. Then what we have, we have b is equal to c into d into b, b get cancel, and we have c into d is equal to 1. So there is a only possibility that either c is equal to plus or minus 1, then d is equal to plus or minus 1. But then if d is equal to plus or minus 1, we have b is equal to plus or minus a. So whenever b is divisible by a and a is divisible by b, then this b must be equal to, if and only if this b is equal to plus or minus a. Okay, so if b is divisible by a and C is divisible by B, then what happen if this property is satisfied? If A is divisible by B, and C is divisible, B is divisible by A, and C is divisible by B, then what we have? We have B is equal to R into A, and C is equal to S into B. So we have C is equal to S into R into A. Again, S and R are integer. We have a new integer, C is equal to P into A. So this shows that this C is also divisible by A. Okay. Now, so these are the important results regarding the divisibility. Again, we have one more results regarding this uh, divisibility. Suppose that uh, suppose A is divisible by B. If B is divisible by A, B is divisible by A, and D is divisible by C, then A BD is divisible by AC. Since B is divisible by A, therefore we have B is equal to RA. D is divisible by C, therefore D is equal to S into C. Okay, then B into D is equal to RA into SC is equal to RS into AC. So this shows that this BD is divisible by AC. Let us prove one more result regarding this divisibility. Suppose that if A is divisible by, if B is divisible by A and B not equal to 0, then mod of A is less than equal to mod of B. What is given? B is divisible by A, therefore we have B is equal to A into C for some integer C. Okay, now B is not equal to 0, therefore C is not equal to 0. B is not equal to 0, C is also not equal to 0. Now taking modulus value, what we have? Mod B is equal to mod A into mod C. Mod A into mod C, and mod C is greater than equal to 1. Since it is not equal to 0, so either it may be equal to 1. But then this is greater than equal to mod into A, mod into AC. So this is product of two number, and product of two number is always greater than single number. So then what we get here? Mod of A is less than equal to mod of B. Right. Again, let us prove one more result regarding this divisibility. Suppose that if A is if A is a divisor of B and A is a divisor of C, this is an important result, then A is a divisor of Bx plus Cy. Apply the definition. A is a divisor of B, that means B is divisible by A. So we have B is equal to R into A. Again, C is divisible by A, so we have C is equal to S into A. Okay, then Bx plus Cy equal to Rax plus C S A Y. This gives us A common, Rx plus Sy. R and X are integers, S and Y are integers, so Rx plus Sy is also integer. This shows that this A is a divisor of Bx plus Cy. So this is about some important result about regarding the divisibility.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.